Hello, my friends. Okay, today we are going to be learning about the nursery rhyme, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So let's read this awesome book, and I'm going to read it. You read it along with me, okay? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I love that book. That book is so great, isn't it? One of my favorite songs in the whole entire planet is right there. I sing it all the time. Let's see, right here. Here it is. Let me find it. Here's our words. So let's read this one more time. And there they are. There's our stars. There they are, my friends. Our beautiful stars up in the sky, twinkling. So let's read it one more time. You ready? Once it comes up. Here you go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Then once again, Ellie. Once again, here is our picture of our awesome stars. Like, that's a really bright star right there. I'd make a wish on that one. So my friends, what you are going to do is you are going to, in Seesaw today, you are going to tell me what your wish would be. So in Seesaw today, you are going to, you could draw yourself, you just can record yourself saying, what wish would you be wishing today? And I hope it comes true. Bye everybody. Thanks for reading with me today.